Hi, I'm Lieutenant Commander James Haley. I'm the right wingman and number 2 pilot for the 2020 Blue Angels. Being a Blue Angel is an incredible experience. So day one on the job, I was trying to figure out how something that I thought was easy, so just fly formation. I'd learned it as a Navy pilot before, but the fidelity, the tightness with which we fly took on a new level of performance and a new level of effort and skill that had to be achieved. It's an incredibly demanding yet rewarding experience when you see the demonstration at X air show go off flawlessly, or I guess safely. You can kind of zoom out and look at the performance and be very happy with it, and we are. But when you zoom in, as we do in every debrief, and take a look at every mismatched wing or slightly half a second mistimed breakout, I think it is that process and being super self-critical that helps keep us sharp and helps keep us humble and helps keep us focused on back to that relentless pursuit of excellence and never being satisfied with, oh, that's probably good enough, and always trying to strive for, no, we want to be perfect. We may never get there, but we're going to try forever to get there.